Hi there, we're going to take a quick look at configuring the screen resolution to accommodate the EasyBuilder development environment. So I currently have my screen set up with a very low DPI, and when I load up EasyBuilder, we'll see that everything is very big and it's difficult to fit very much on the screen. To demonstrate this, I will choose Project, Add Controls, and I'll choose Camera and add the camera device. By clicking on the gear icon of the camera, you'll see the window is so big that I can't actually access the save or cancel buttons that are normally at the bottom of this window. So I'll close this down with the X, and I'll close down EasyBuilder. And to adjust the screen resolution, we're going to right click on the desktop, choose Display Settings, so what we're going to have to do here is change the text size and other items of Windows. So we'll scroll this down. As you can see here, 125% is the recommended size for Microsoft Windows. So we'll leave it here at 125. Scroll down and choose Advanced Display Settings. Here you have the option to select all the different resolutions that your video card supports. Make sure it's set for the highest resolution that's supported. Once you've selected that, choose the Apply button, and the resolution will change. After changing the resolution, you may need to go back into the display settings and verify that your slide dial is indeed set for either 100 or 125%. Reload EasyBuilder. Now you see everything fits on the screen much better, and we can add our camera control. You click on the Configure button. You see here the entire configuration window is displayed with the Save and Cancel buttons. When EasyBuilder loads, it shows you the resolution that's detected for your environment. So to access that, I click on Options, Debug, which opens a debug window, and you'll see down here the screen resolution, which is currently detected on my computer at 1920 by 1080.